I know some of you might be thinking that I am going crazy because in this series, Scenes I Love, I usually talk about scenes from movies which are really acclaimed, usually have really good cinematography, editing, acting, or things like that, storytelling. But I don't think so that's all that there is. A lot of times it's also about the feeling that you get when you're watching a particular scene. And every movie, I think, has some sort of thought process and craft that is going on behind the scenes. And I think it's important to appreciate those things because a lot goes behind even the simplest things in movies. So yeah, I want to talk about the scene from Aisha, which I think is genuinely really nice and sweet, and it evokes those feelings in me as well. So in case you haven't watched the movie, it's about this girl Aisha. She's from Delhi, she's a rich girl, loves fashion, and she's really into matchmaking. So she's always trying to set up her friends with other people. Usually she gets in trouble for all of this. The scene is right in the beginning of the movie, so it's not really any spoiler. Also, some specific context to this scene: she was actually sleeping before this and she hears somebody throw stones at her window, so she comes out to see who it is, and it's actually her childhood friend.
अर्जुन बर्मन, अपनी आंखें चेक करवा दो. भैंगे हो गए हो क्या?
क्या करूं? तुम्हें सीधा देखने के लिए आंखें टेढ़ी करनी पड़ती हैं.
घर के अंदर आने के लिए एक एंट्रेंस डोर होता है कि नहीं?
Really? तुम तो बहुत स्मार्ट हो गई हो आयशा.
Why are you always dressed like this? Designer suit, designer जूते, bloody corporate slave.
Hey, whatever it takes, यार.
It's funny that she says that because she herself is dressed in designer stuff all the time.
जी साहब जी.
संतराम, कौन इतना शोर मचा रहा है?
अरे केहू और नहीं साहब जी, तो अपन अर्जुन बाबा हैं.
ओ अर्जुन, अरे तुम कब आए बेटा?
बस अभी आया अंकल.
आयशा, बेचारे को अंदर आने दे. मेहमानों के साथ ऐसा बर्ताव नहीं करते बेटा.
Exactly.
What? मेहमान? कब से? लंदन से कोई रसगुल्ले लाता है? You have no presence of mind, Arjun.
I was passing by the shop. वहाँ रसगुल्ले मुझे दिख गए. तुम्हारी शक्ल याद आ गई. मैं थोड़ा इमोशनल हो गया तो लेके आ गया.
Very bad one. मासी की शादी 3 दिन पहले थी. What is the point of coming now?
You only said I'm a corporate slave. You know, I have work, emergencies, meetings. अब तो आ गया हूँ लेकिन. और हाँ, मेरे एक दोस्त की शादी है. कुछ अरेंजमेंट्स करवाने थे. You know, टेंट्स, बैंड बाजा वगैरह वगैरह वगैरह. तुमने कोई शादी का बिजनेस खोला हुआ है ना?
Event management. Are you making fun of me?
No, I'm not making fun of you. बस यही कहना है कि सबके अपने अपने टेस्ट होते हैं. किसी की पर्सनल लाइफ में घुसना अच्छा नहीं है.
Give me one reason कि मैं तुम्हारी बात क्यों सुनूं?
क्योंकि मैं तुमसे बड़ा हूँ. What?
सिर्फ तुम्हारा पेट बड़ा है.
Hey, it's a 16 pack, okay?
Please take a breath. नहीं तो बेहोश हो जाओगे.
Oh, jealous हो गई आयशा टेंट वाली.
नहीं हुई अर्जुन, बैंक वाला. Show yourself out. तुम्हें पता है कि दरवाजा कहाँ है? इतना irritating, annoying और self-involved. अपने आप को अच्छा समझना अच्छा है, पर सबसे अच्छा समझना लाइफ के बारे में जानता क्या है? वॉटन ग्रेजुएट हुई तो क्या हुआ? होगा अपने घर में इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंकर कहीं का.
Okay, so that was the scene, and like I said before, this is right in the beginning of the film. So I think the scene actually really establishes a lot of things because this is the first time you're meeting Arjun in the film, and right off the bat you get to know that he's a Wharton graduate, he's an investment banker, and you get to know a lot of things about him. You get to know the dynamic between him and Aisha. They're always butting heads, they don't see eye to eye. Like, he's very real with her about what she's doing with her life. He knows that she's really capable of a lot of things, but she's not using them to her fullest, and he's always kind of pushing her. And you also get to know that they're really familiar with each other because when he comes, the servant knows him, the father knows him, and they're not really shocked to see him there. So you know that there's a relationship between them is really comfortable, it's old. And later in the movie you also realize that he is actually her sister's brother-in-law. And in general also I think it's a really just fun introduction. They're teasing, there's lots of jokes going on, and you see also that she's really irritated with him. That's also a snippet of what comes ahead, because she's resistant to his suggestions. He's pushing her to see reality that she doesn't see it the same way, and that's what irritates her even more. All of this is actually really neatly packed into this one interaction, this one introduction scene that they have, and that's what I find really interesting, because it doesn't really matter what kind of cinema it is, what kind of a movie it is, because this is a really commercial, almost it comes into the genre of rom-com chick flick, and still there's a lot of thought process, character building and craft that goes into this, and that's, I think, really important to appreciate, because that is going on in no matter what film that you watch. And also, I don't think so it's something that is supposed to be over-analyzed. The audience is not supposed to sit and over-analyze every single character, but if that is done from the point of view of the filmmakers, I think that's what makes the characters even better. So that is the scenes I love for today. Do check out my other scenes I love videos. They're all amazing scenes that I really like. Scenes I love is actually a very literal translation. They're actually scenes I love.